what this quotation means. Indian Standard Time always runs late. I mean, of course, we have discussed that Indians often do not value time, and that is the problem. So we always reach late and we don't honor the people who are waiting for us. We don't honor their time. Intellectual independence. What does this mean? Like we discussed, intellectual independence means taking responsibility and deciding for yourself if you have the confidence to decide right. Which must come first, privileges or principles, and why? So, of course, this is reference to the quotation that occurs towards the end of the unit, where Dwight Eisenhower says that a people that values privileges over principles soon loses both. So, obviously, it should be principles over privileges. So, principles should come first, and the reason is that if you value privileges, you will be nowhere. Like you will lose the privileges as well as the principles. Let's check. What in your opinion can India teach the rest of the world? What is one thing, or what are the things that we as Indians are proud of? So the answer could be family values, commitment towards fulfilling personal vows, personal values, deep rooted family culture or bondings that we have in our family, relationships, the close knit society that India has. So this is what probably, so basically if you had to answer in one sentence, you will say India can teach the rest of the world family values. What must India learn from the West? So the 7 things that we discussed is something that we can learn, India can learn from the West. I mean, there are things now which we can learn from the East too, but these are the things that we must learn from the world. These are the 7 things. Summing up, balance between rights and duties. India must learn from the world to be globally successful. India needs to introspect. You can also try these exercises. Underline the negative sentences. Make a list of prepositions used on page number 95. And you can also use in your own sentences these words. You can see at the end lose, lose and loss. So one is the adjective, the other is verb, and the last one is a noun. You can also look at these words, these sentences. The company is built on strong values. Our partners are from across the globe. There are serious problems around us. These all constructions actually tell you how the things are around you. So one of the goals that we said this session has is to describe and make statements describing things and conditions around you. You can also underline the use of the passive in the section, and you can try to describe things in the passive, and you can use passive wherever necessary. Now this unit will be helpful to you for MCQs, brief, moderate and long answers, which include short notes and vocabulary exercises. These are ready to use exercises which you can study on your own. I mean, these are formulaic examples which you can use in your own sentences. So I hope you will continue your journey towards comprehension, and comprehension is an important essential language skill. So wish you a great life ahead, comprehending things around you. Thank you very much. All the best.